The video in the background is obviously from the spacecraft. On NASA, the NASA website main page, there's a button where you can click to see real-time video from the International Space Station. So one of the things I was interested in is it would be possible to put all of this together, to put all of the pieces together so that we can see images from the space station, which actually we can't see. Oh, there it is. Okay, and it blinks in, it blinks out. Their connections are only just so reliable and so forth. Upper left-hand corner, there's a website called ISS and that plots the real-time position of the International Space Station. So we're able to relate the images to where we are in space, and then upper right-hand corner, up you can see up by the spacecraft itself, is a clock, current time in universal time. So now we have video from orbit. We have a website that tells you where you are as far as the ground track is concerned. The camera is looking out over the Pacific Ocean, even though we're over Utah. You can still see the Pacific Ocean. And then, for educational purposes, you can see a picture of me, describing all of this. And because it's also a separate window that's composited, I can just pull it off when we're tired of looking at me. And look at that, off to the right. Look at what's on the horizon. Look what's on the horizon. Look, 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 right here, right here. It's like right there. There's the moon. That's awesome. I've never seen it, I mean, you can find that stuff online, but just happenstance, there's the moon. All right, there's nothing, but okay. So from an educational standpoint, this composition, let me pull my own picture back in for now. This composition makes it possible to, record what it looks like from space, know where you are in space, know when this recording took place, and have somebody who's really knowledgeable about what you're seeing from space describe it, and in a way that's not just boring text, has some sort of life to it because there's a person talking to you. So anyhow, here we are recording this. This is my second test. Just trying to get a sense for what you can do with this. And, conceivably, once you know where you are, okay, we're flying over the, north part of Texas. We don't need to have this up here constantly. I could drag that off, and I can drag off the webcam of me, and I'll just leave the clock. But, conceivably, for now, since, we're looking at the basin and range portion of the United States off to the left, all right, that's pretty cool. That's enough recording for now. By the way, my name is Ken Ramsley, and this is really pretty amazing. We can do all this stuff.